Good morning, student. Today we are start a new lesson, chapter number 8, Cell Structure and Function. You have already learned that things around us, either living or non-living things, many microorganisms, living things and non-living things are present in our surrounding. Further, you may recall the all living organism on a certain of basic function from their habit and some living organism carry out their basic function, so that function having a different set of organs perform a various function. You have a listed in here in our human beings body various organs are perform their various function. All organs have performed not the same function. In In this chapter, you shall learn about basic structure of unit of organ. Every organs have a basic unit. That unit is called as a cell. The unit part of our body is a cell. When the group of cell are made with a tissue, that number of tissue number here the group of tissue are made the organ, and group of organ are made our body. So here first the unit part of our body is a cell. Group of cell is a are made tissue. That group of tissue are made of organs, and group of organs are made of various system of our human body, and the group of system are made of human body. So here the basic structure of our body is a unit cell. So this cell, which is the cell? Cell may be a compare to brick. Unit parts of our body is the cell. So in this chapter we study about the cell. Cells may be compared to bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building. So cells may be compared. Cell is like a brick. That bricks are assembled to make a buildings. To bricks are assembled the wall, and that number of walls are assembled. The number of walls are helped to make a buildings. So similarly, cells are assembled to make a body of every organism. It's a unit part of our organ, of our tissue, of our human body. So now we start our lesson. Now we discuss about cell. Cell is the basic structure and functional unit of living organism. Here, what is a cell? Cell is a basic structural and functional unit. It's a small part. So, functional unit of living organism. In other hand, what is cell? Cell makes up living things. Without cell, we cannot imagine our body. So, cells make up living things and carried out activities. That activities are performed we perform in every day. So that activity that keep in a living things alive. So what is cell? The definition of cell is a basic structural and functional unit of living organism. Cell, the fundamental unit of life. Now we talk about cell theory. Cell theory is a collection of ideas and conclusion from many different scientists over the time that describe cells and how cells operated. That cells are the unit part of our body. That cells are not a cell are used in a battery. That cell are present, that particular word cell are present in our whole body parts. That body parts have a basic structure, basic unit structure. That is a cell. Cell theory is a collection of ideas, conclusion from many different scientists. Many different scientists are collected many ideas and conclusion for cell that describe cell and how cell operated. First, they describe about cell shape, structure and function, and next they conclusion about cell operated, how cell perform their function. So, the cell theory is based on a three things, three rules. The first rule is all known living things are made up of one or more cell. All known living organism, microorganism, organism, animal, birds, human beings, all living organism are made up of one and more cell. Some organism are made up of one cell, single cell. That organism is called single cell organism, and some organism are made up by more cell, like human beings. All living cells arises from the pre-existing cell by division. All living cell arises from pre-existing cell. All living cells are separated from their pre-existing cell, and that separation are called the division. So here the two cells are joined together, they are separated, and that separated process are called the division, cell division. Third rules is the cell is the basic unit of structural and functional in all living organisms. Cell is the basic unit of structural and functional. Structural means our hands, our shape and size of our body, particular shape and size of our body. It's a structure of our body. And function, in our body various organ are play their various function, like a digestion, respiration. That all are the function are performed in all living organism, like a human beings, is all basic on a unit part. That part is called a cell. So cell is the basic unit of structural and functional in all living organism. So here today we talk about introduction about our new lesson, cell structural and functional, and we talk about cell theory. The three rules are, the cell theory are basis on the three rules, first, second and third. Now we already discuss about the that three rules. In next video we will talk about the cell theories discovered. In this discovered cells, various scientists are involved, and their conclusion we will discuss on next video.